He's at the batsman now.
Take it easy, take it easy. Going to pull down Ishant Sharma.
Trying to calm down the situation, put a bit of water in the temperament bowler. Kamran Akmal beaten by a good one. It's the batsman who's lost the plot here. Kamran Akmal with a big wild swing, missing the ball.
Normally he likes to play shots, but early call from Mohammad Hafiz for the single, and there both of them trying to get out of the way and bumping into each other.
The white ball, and if you could swing the white ball.
A bit of hesitation with the single. Jadeja is very good at point. We saw India losing wickets at regular intervals. 2, 11 and 12. The first over, only they'd like to go with Dinda and probably Ishant Sharma.
That's debut. Good over. 2 runs from it. 6 over particular game. Ravish Shastri and the great Kapil Dev.
Oh, that's a cracking good delivery. Absolute beauty.
Came in the...
Worked away nicely. Oh, play and a miss. Almost feeling for it, Shoaib Malik. Oh, bit of an inside edge. Will run away to the boundary. Streaky, but they'll take it. It's 33 for 3.
Oh, chance of a run out. Non-strikers hit. Direct hit. He died. The ball misses the target. It's Suresh Raina who's been a real bonus for India at that hit.
Pakistan were magnificent at they had a lot of direct hits. Here Raina, but I think it'll be home. Pakistan had at least 3 direct hits, creating opportunities.
And now he's in the driver's seat. Big shot. No. Oh, a chance. Ishant Sharma came in his way. I don't know what would have happened had that ball hit the stumps. Virat Kohli was the fielder who missed the ball. But it all ends on a friendly note, which is good to know.
Ishant Sharma has got such long hair. Sometimes on his follow through, he can't see a thing there. They bump intentionally though. And Virat Kohli ends well.
A shot.
Ishant Sharma was going on his follow through a couple of deliveries ago. Early call from Mohammad Hafiz for the single, and there both of them trying to get out of the way and bumping into each other. But Hafiz strong enough to get past Ishant. Ishant is a gentle giant, isn't he?
Surge. Courtesy this partnership. Now that's gone and taken by the rope. Just the kind of result that will pep up Indian side. The crowds absolutely enjoy that. And it's the captain who's gone. That shot almost found the fence, but he's gone after playing a great innings of 61, 118 for
135 clicks. He was looking for a boundary. Intentional shot. And this had a good game. Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
भारत के ईशांत शर्मा और पाकिस्तान के कामरान अकमल के बीच गर्मागर्म बहस दिसंबर 2012 में पाकिस्तान के भारत दौरे पर हुए पहले 2020 अंतर्राष्ट्रीय। यह मैच 25 दिसंबर 2012 को बेंगलुरु के एन चिन्नास्वामी स्टेडियम में खेला गया था। क्या हुआ था? ये झड़प पाकिस्तान की पारी के 18वें ओवर में हुई थी। ईशांत शर्मा की गेंद पर कामरान अकमल कैच आउट हो गए थे, लेकिन यह नो बॉल करार दी गई। अगली ही गेंद पर ईशांत ने अकमल को फिर से बीट किया। इसके बाद दोनों खिलाड़ियों के बीच जुबानी जंग शुरू हो गई और दोनों एक दूसरे पर उंगली उठाने लगे। कामरान अकमल ने कहा है कि ईशांत शर्मा ने ही मौखिक दुर्व्यवहार शुरू किया था और उन्होंने उसी तरह जवाब दिया। उन्होंने दावा किया कि ईशांत ने एक कठोर शब्द कहा और बदले में 20 सुने। हस्तक्षेप। ऑन फील्ड अंपायरों और भारतीय खिलाड़ियों, विशेष रूप से MS धोनी और सुरेश रैना को दोनों खिलाड़ियों को अलग करने और स्थिति को शांत करने के लिए हस्तक्षेप करना पड़ा। परिणाम, दोनों खिलाड़ियों को मैच रेफरी रोशन महानामा को रिपोर्ट किया गया और उन पर खेल भावना के विपरीत आचरण का आरोप लगाया गया।
The height was an issue. And Ishant Sharma, well, he's lost this battle.
Look at Shoaib Malik. His feet was off the ground and he made contact well above the shoulder. So it's a no ball for height. He will stay at the crease.
Yeah, it was a great catch, but it has come to nothing in the end because of that call by the third umpire. Jadeja had to twist, turn, twirl, hung on to that ball. But all is basically nothing. Shoaib Malik is still out there. 14. Oh, gets a good one. The ball is still moving around.
Look at that follow through of the delivery from Ishant Sharma. He's at the batsman now. Take it easy, take it easy. Got to cool down Ishant Sharma.
Umpire's trying to calm down the situation, put a bit of water on the temperamental heads of the scrub bowler. Kamran Akmal beaten by a good one. And Ishant Sharma and his follow through must have exchanged words. That's part of cricket.
Just a very, very long follow through when he beat the batsman.
It's the batsman who's lost the plot here. Kamran Akmal with a big wild swing, missing the ball.
Normally he likes to play his shots, but 14 from 13 now. He just needs to look for singles. Almost losing another wicket and trying to take the...
ईशांत शर्मा पर उनकी मैच फीस का 15% जुर्माना लगाया गया, क्योंकि मैच रेफरी ने यह निर्धारित किया कि उन्होंने ही घटना शुरू की थी। कामरान अकमल पर उनकी मैच फीस का 5% जुर्माना लगाया गया। बाद में मैदान पर तनाव के बावजूद रिपोर्टों में बताया गया कि ईशांत शर्मा और कामरान अकमल ने मैच के बाद अपने मतभेद सुलझा लिए थे। शर्मा कथित तौर पर पाकिस्तान के ड्रेसिंग रूम गए थे। बाद में उन्हें अगले मैच के लिए अहमदाबाद की फ्लाइट में भी साथ देखा गया।